Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Tomorrow, but I don't go work till your birthday for this matter. Hey, no gay, baby boy, come on, baby boy. Hey, no gay, you say I go fuck as I come back. My pikin don't die, abi. Hey, no gay, post your bastard daughter Nora DNA. May we see. No be the same fuck why they fuck for Paris. They walk out your mama Nora. They fuck for Torino. Wife where you put for house and yoga, how it be? Open it. Let's open our nash. Enoge, you not tell me say make I show you where mama Nora go take it toto infection. Enoge, open it. Enoge, you not tell me make I show you where your wife want take infection. So your wife get infection. Enoge, open it. Open it. Me, Perry. Enoge, open it. Let's open it. Post your bastard Nora DNA test. If not be Torino, mama Nora for take carry belle can't give you. Enoge, now submit you later. Me, shall I go for my pikin die? Your pikin a bastard. Open it. Hey, I know they call caller. I be one man squad. I dey fight alone. I don't need call callers. I dey fight alone. I don't need callers so. I dey fight alone. Apart from say she go fuck, if pikin can't die, she dey fuck prick. At least I know they fuck Toto. Na prick I dey fuck because God give me Toto. Now your mama Toto. Open it. Wife where you put for house. Wife where you put for house. Where you for see and carry. No be a shower road. Open it. Me, Perry, we die today. Me and you, we die for this live video. I go sleep. I no sleep. And okay, open it. Infection where your wife they carry waka, don't kill her. He never kill her. I get proof. Oh. I do live video for my page. Say make I show people how them take the key infection. Then no get call me say make I send down that thing. Where they say they kill that infection. Say mama Nora get infection. Open my nyash. Once you open my nyash, side they fuck up and down. Now your mama Toto. To pass you. Me tomorrow, I go play your record. Blood fire! I don't understand. My sister they comment so for this video. Ask question. They don't get. Open it. Enoge. Since when you tell me, never do anything for me. I honor your wife, eyelash. I don't know other for her. Your wife say no sabi other things online because she too dey local. It can't make her help her other eyelash. I help her, you no help her. Open my nyash. Now your papa Toto. Now your mama Toto. Now your mama Toto. Now your mama Toto. Open it. I dey fuck up and down. Abi? No problem. You say my nationality now fake. I no get nationality. Your caller say when I only want to work for this France, you say they do cleaner. At least I get work. And no girl, you don't work for Europe before. Open it. Hey, baby boy. Baby boy, open it. Baby boy, open my yash. Let's go. I tell you, say if you cross your boundary, I go let you know, say, me, I dey mad normally. And okay, you are a child. You are a child. Open it. Open it now. You don't kill your wife infection. Infected pussy. Open it. Your caller say, no let me want be this, no let me want be that. Now wait person get it so they proud. Now wait till I get I say they proud. I get nationality. Kill yourself. Open it. You want to see my nationality? Come to my house. Come to my house. I will play this thing with you. Baby boy! If you see I don't get call him baby boy. He's a small boy. And okay, come to me. Come to me. You know me, Perry. If I raise my mama. And okay, baby boy, listen. Let me tell you something. Listen, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Post Nora documents and you sign for her. Oh yeah, post her. If your wife no buy papa for Nora, post the documents and now your name there inside. Roland, now be your name now. Post and see now your name there inside. Baby boy, you too small for me to talk to. Now they say that fuck why they fuck for Paris. Your wife don't fuck tire for Torino. All the boys where they Torino don't fuck your wife for Torino. Open this baby boy. Tell me what you don't talk for your life video now. Where your wife never talk, baby boy. You're too small for me. You were married prostitute. You were married a shower. I be cleaner. You say I be cleaner. I accept her with my foot chest. I not be a shower. And if my sister they do give away, now your mama Toto. I come before as a very good girl. You know, my good girl look might take come before they deceive you. Go and treat your wife infected pussy. Open it. This one. Where me for carry Stephanie Alex matter I can't give you because you know say they be my friends. Post them. Where me for carry the two gift matter I can't give you. Post them. Where me for carry you call mama your phone name. I don't know the girl before, but post them. Where me for carry anybody matter for this Paris for you. Post them. Open it. I go only open your wife nyash. Foolish, useless, immigrant. You want to talk to me? You want to talk to someone who is better than your whole family? You want to talk to me? Apart from me, for my life, for my family. Even me, will be the smallest, so the small parent, I big pass you for everything. Oh, go they kill you. Go and treat your wife infected pussy. And you're okay. Open it. You don't tell me like I give you. I know they call callers for my live video. My sister, let me want my squad. What's that? Let me want a squad. Infected so where you carry poo for hands. Open it. You want to open my ass? Open. You know they do your saga. You don't get 6,000 views before. When you use me to do prank, not be you get 6,000 views where your head stay big. You even say they do saga today, so you get how many thousand views? Your head so big. Where you don't get this kind of view before. Open it. You want to open my nyash? Your callers, you will not get any proof. You not say you get proof and no get post your proof. If you post one proof for everything where you don't talk now, one proof, I'll kill myself tomorrow. Now maybe Perry Goldie. I don't fear you. I don't fear your pound, I fear your mama. I maybe Perry Goldie. I want to open my own yash. This yash matter the shit so. Say you want to open her. Nobody know anything about me for this Europe. Apart from say that girl when picking that way they crease for live video. What else do you know? You go fucking picking die. You dey fuck up and die for France. Talk another thing. You're picking where you born. Nora, now you born now. If now you born now, why another man go sign for your picking? Are you not useless? Open it. My network just they correspond this night. What is wrong? Oh, no slippers. This is wrong. You don't have to be walking around with slippers. Okay. Open it. man, right? Say any man will go fit end up, any girl go fit end up with a person like Enoge. He useless normally. Then after I can look at, I can see and say he don't share a kuswaka for Torino for Italy. You understand me? So you know, can see we one day with now I can end up with my Enoge with my baby boy. You then repeat what I talk for your live video because you gotta call me baby girl. Now me a slag be that. Find your own slag. Baby boy, infected pussy. Open it and okay. Me. I'm coming out with proof. I know they talk without proof.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully